Hi there, it's Shell, and today is day 8 of our December daily. So I haven't opened my gift. I thought I would wait until you guys got here and then we would open it together. So this is going on day 8 here. So, and this cute wrapping paper. I really need to make something out of the wrapping paper. Pretty much all of my packages are wrapped in the same paper. So every day I get to, oh how cute, I get to open a fun little package like this. So she totally spoils me rotten. This is Heidi Swapp DIY notebook envelopes. And I haven't really had, I mean I've had a few things of Heidi Swapp, but not a whole lot because I don't really do her journals. But I love her style. Let's see what we can use, see if there's anything we can use in here for day 8. So, oh, I got this beautiful vellum envelope. Oh, isn't that pretty? Okay, I have this, that's really nice. That's like a little coin envelope. And today I kind of have this envelope right here. So, see if I can make something work. And then here is a little pocket. So that would be pretty. I could put in another flip, or I'm trying to figure out what I want to do here. Let's see. It's kind of fun to have things to play with that you hadn't really counted on, you know. Okay, I might fill this up with something and put in there like that. That's a good idea. So let me show you what my plan is for today. I had, you know, I've been just kind of buying presents. We don't buy a whole lot of gifts. You know, my mother's gone. My dad is in Texas, so I might send him a card and a gift card, something like that. My brother and his family, I'll probably send them a little gift card. And then mainly we buy gifts for my sister and her girlfriend because she is right here, you know. I mean, she's in the area, and we love to exchange gifts. She spends or just finds things for us, so it's nothing for us to give each other like 20 gifts, which I know is crazy, but you know, we just have fun, and that is our kind of Christmas celebration. We just celebrate it together. We're right here, we're really close friends, and she spoils me and my husband, and I spoil her and her girlfriend, and we just have fun with that. So I found myself in a dilemma. I have to tell you guys. We got a package yesterday, and my husband and I, well, I have opened one of my Christmas presents, but my husband and I are now kind of waiting for the mail to arrive, kind of doubling up and double checking who the package is from. So we got this big present, and I'm like, it's not mine, and he says it's not mine either. So it had his name on it, I think, and so we decided whoever's name it has on it, they get to open it and hope that it's not for them, because sometimes we do, you know, buy items like I'll put his name on it or something. But so we're both like, I don't know what it is, I don't know, and we never did figure it out. And he finally opened it. We were talking about it. I don't know if I should open it, and I was like, I don't know if I should open it. So anyways, long story short, or long story longer, we opened it, and it was a gift that we had bought for my sister's girlfriend. So and what's sad is neither one of us remembered until we opened it, and then we're like, oh yeah, I remember ordering that. So anyways, I was thinking what I really need to do is write down what I'm buying, because you know, that's what people do, and I have not done that this year. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get some paper, and I'm going to write down my Christmas list of everything I got for everyone, because I do, you know, buy for my little grandbabies and my niece and nephews, and you know, just little odds and ends that we're going to have a white elephant gift, and so, you know, just things like that that I can check off and say, oh yeah, I got that, you know, because yeah, our memories are not what they used to be, that's for dang sure. I'll be right back. I'm going to get some paper. That was my whole story. So I went back and I was trying to find some pretty paper. So I got this paper, and because I think my list might be a little long, went ahead and just got a plain piece from the same little set. So I'm not going to write everything down here because my sister does have a tendency to watch my videos, and it's sporadic. So it might be the week that she's deciding to watch every single one that I put out. Maybe within hopes of seeing what I got her. So we'll just have to wait and write her gift when I know for sure she's not watching in secret. So I'm just going to find a good pen. I wanted this one. And I'll just put just a little bit here so you can kind of get an idea of what I'm going to do. I'll just put Christmas list. (2018). And then I'll just go down and put their names and what I got and what I have. I told her this morning I really need to quit buying gifts because I see something on Facebook and I'm like, oh, I gotta get that. I gotta get that. Yeah. Kind of going overboard. But this is the first year I haven't like sat and made tons of gifts because I'm kind of out of ideas for people. And, you know, some people don't use, you know, probably right now I'd be making junk journals. Well, I gave them junk journals last year and I don't think they were really into it. So, sis, if you're watching, you're not getting a junk journal this year. Okay, so let's just put this page together. Like I said, it's not going to be super long. And I want to put it in here. And my thought is to put it in this cute little envelope so that if I am going shopping or something, make sure that's going to fit before I finish folding it. I'll go in just a touch more. But if I'm going shopping, if I need like a little stocking stuffer or something, I can just pull this little packet out of my book, and that would work perfectly, and just pop it in my purse or whatever to carry along with me. And then I'll actually have a list of, and usually I do have a list, but for some reason this year I just haven't started one yet. Okay, so maybe this, you know, I do pick up things for my sister throughout the year with at yard sales and stuff, so maybe, you know, if I write it down I'll remember that I have it. That was almost too close. So I'm not going to use this part right here, so I might just put a little bit of decoration on that, because why not? Let's put this little green paper there. So I'm going to cut it down about an inch, and we'll fold it over that. Let me go cut that down real quick. Okay, so here's my little Christmas trees. I'm going to attempt to fold them in half. This is kind of like a cardstock again, so it's kind of a little bit harder. Okay. And this is like some kind of plastic. I forget what it's called. So I think I'm going to use my glue, my two-way glue stick. What's it called? Double-sided tape. Okay, and just kind of put it on my paper. this. And hopefully that will kind of keep it in on the book when it's glued down. Cat hairs everywhere. I know if I had a little pick, that would make this so much easier. There we go. Okay, and I'm just going to put this on here like this, and we'll fold it over. That'll just kind of decorate it up a little bit without doing too much. Sorry, my cat's over there. He's pulling on his little, it's a hanging toy, and he keeps trying to pull it off, but he can't get it off, so that's why you keep hearing the popping. Because it's on a rubber band kind of thing. So there's my little Christmas list. I'll pop that in there. And then out here, let's put a little 8. And put that here. Glue that down, and then maybe we'll put something like Christmas list, stay out, or something like that, just in case somebody else is looking in here. I don't think there will be, but it'll be kind of fun just to decorate the outside up just a little bit. That's kind of cute, just a little decoration there. Okay, so I have that cut down, and I'm just going to pop that out of the way for a minute and just write Christmas list, stay out. Because why not? I'm just going to print in capital letters. Christmas list. I'll put for my eyes only. How's that? That's nicer than stay out. Okay, and then to kind of make it look like a fancier writing, I just go back and on each of the ends, I just put little dots, and that just kind of dresses it up just a little bit without you having to struggle, you know, with calligraphy or something fancy. It just makes it look neater. Especially if you don't have, you know, neat handwriting. This is one of my favorite ways to just kind of jazz up my handwriting. And you know, having a Christmas list is a good idea to be able to look back on what you bought them. You know, next year when I'm looking back, I can be like, oh yeah, I got that, and not do duplicate gifts, because, you know, like I said, my mind's not as good as it used to be, and I have, you know, I wouldn't be surprised if I did something like that. Oh yeah, I got you this last year for Christmas. So I'm just going to put 2018 here, just tiny. And I'm going to glue that down. And I think this day will be complete. That way, just has a little verse on the back. Okay, let's do a quick flip through. I don't think I did a flip through in the last video, but I know I have new subscribers all the time. I appreciate you guys so much, and if you haven't already, be sure and hit that subscribe button. We're doing an ongoing December daily tutorial, so not tutorial, journal with me. So here is my first page. Here is day 1, and I will, at the end of this video, hopefully I will tag the playlist for my December daily. It's not showing up for me, so I hope it's showing up for you guys. But if it doesn't show up, you can always just go to my channel and look under playlists, and I do have December daily Journal with Me 2018, I think is what it's called. And you can see all the ones that we did. So here's day 1. Day 2, I just made some cards. Christmas cards, I wrote about them. Day 3 is my little grandbaby's picture with Santa. And day 3, just a little note from my 25 Days of Christmas friend. And then what I love about December, 1, 2, and 3. My husband's working with some thread, and the cat's, his cat loves strings, so he keeps trying to steal this string. So if you hear him yelling at the cat, well, whispering loudly to the cat, that's what he's doing. This one I put all my Christmas movies. In fact, I need to add some to this. So again, all these are in video already. On this day, I just kind of played with some watercolors. This was day 6. So 6 is this, and then this is my day 7. If I can get it in camera there. And then this is my day 8. And my little Christmas list is in there. So thanks for watching. I think I am caught up, and I will be back tomorrow with day 9. Thanks for watching, and you guys have a wonderful day.